you can download the Messenger voice messages into your mobile. So let's start. So firstly you have to go into your Messenger, and here you have to go in the voice message, and once you start the voice message, then you can see that there is no option to download it. So what you have to do is, you have the second option is, you have to turn down your display, and here you have to start the screen recording, and you have to start it until the voice message is finished. And once it is finished, you have to turn off the screen recording, and you have to go back to your Safari or any browser that you are using, and from here you have to go in the search, and here you have to search for the MP4 to MP3 converter. Now you have to click any of the link that you want, and here you have to go in the choose files, and you have to choose from your desktop or any of the file that you previously record, and here you have to add it. So once you add it, you have the option to convert it into MP4 to MP3, and you have to add your file, and you are able to download your Discord voice messages into your mobile. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.